This one, the Honda generator, 2009. They have a the outlet 120, 113 volt. That you can use for camping or like camping or for trailer, RV, stuff like that. And I got it for a while, but it's been stored. And you know, you got to put the oil, check the oil carburetor link and our stuff, and then we just make sure the gas fill up, make sure the on the choke, and turn it on, start it. So let me try to start one hand. See that? Let it warm up first. Yep. Let it warm up a little bit. It'll get better. See, that's how the Honda make for it. It's just only one pull. First pull is start right up. And you guys like it, give me a thumb up and subscribe below. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching.